This problem is for black to live. There are actually two correct answers. One is to try to build two eyes from within, and the other is to increase eye space. The first correct move is to play here at the 2-1 point. As I mentioned in other problems, the 2-1 points are usually good to try. So if black plays here, then white will probably have to play this, right, to destroy this eye here at the 1-1 point. And now white cannot really come in like this, because black can capture number 4 by throwing in an Atari from behind. This will be a connect and die for white. So white cannot connect back, and black will be able to live like this. Or if white tries to reduce black's eye space, black just has enough to build 2 real eyes. So black can succeed after number 1. Alternatively, black can try to increase eye space, and the correct move here is to play this. Now the variations will get pretty complicated inside, but I can show you a few, and you can try some other variations on your own. Right, so one common one will be this, but here black should not play this. If this is the case, then this is what's called a 10,000-year ko. So this will be a ko. What black should do is to play this instead. And this way, black will be able to capture white. It's quite complex, right? Black will be able to capture white like this. If white is preventing black from filling in this liberty, then this will be a ko, right? Black will capture first. White has to use up a ko threat. Black has a local ko threat here, right, in 19 and 20. And then black can capture again. White has to do another ko threat on the outside, captures back. Then black can escape from here. So white can't really afford to play this ko, right? Now black is escaping, right? If black escapes, then white on the corner will just die. So this is a living shape for black for the purpose of this problem. So after 1, 3, and 5, black will be able to live, although this is quite complicated. If white plays here, then this is another living shape for black, right? If white plays here, then all black needs to do is to play here, right? And this will be a connect and die. Number 2 cannot escape. And you can try white's number 2 at other spots. The result should be the same. Black should be able to make a living shape. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please leave them below, and I'm happy to take a look and answer them. There might be other variations that I haven't considered. I went through most of them, and I think either playing here as number 1 or here as number 1 will guarantee black success. Thank you for watching.